Hello, my name is Thomas Rappold. I'm the CEO and co-founder of the German wealth tech fintech Divizend. With Divizend, we help investors maximize their dividend returns. Imagine you own dividend stocks from outside your home country, like Nestlé from Switzerland. You have this problem of double taxation of your dividend. You get taxed twice, withholding tax and income taxes. And refund opportunities are widely missed out because of fiscal complexities and technical challenges. Although the European Commission recommended a solution since 2000, but nothing happened till now. Investors have to get familiar with different documents in different languages and mostly paper-based. Our B2C software helps private investors to reclaim their taxes by automating the withholding tax refund process in a very convenient way. And the dividend market is $1 trillion business, what you can see on the left side. And we saw this year a V-shaped recovery in dividend payments up to 1.5 trillion. On the right side, you see the total addressable market. We are talking about $100 billion in paid withholding taxes on cross-border securities, and more important, nearly $20 billion in still unreclaimed withholding taxes on cross-border securities, which gives us enormous room to grow. And as Peter Thiel says, competition is for losers. There's no other SaaS company on the market targeting retail investors. And our value propositions are based on these 5 distribution channels: national and international banking groups, high traffic finance portals, business and finance magazines, bank software providers, and tax software providers. And we deliver them an enormous value. So that's meant with increased customer retention, increased revenue through additional services, and more cross-border investments. Our product is simple and convenient, and the reclaim is done in just 4 steps. First, you connect your securities portfolios via our securities aggregation API. Second, you get a fast dashboard overview. And third, you do the claim setup via our intelligent tax assistant. And fourth, you submit the application. And we have already proof of success. This is the first digital refund via Divizend. On the left side, you can see the filing document. On the right side, the refund document. And our business model is simple, straightforward, with a high margin. Our revenues consist of transaction fees based on a certain percentage of the reclaim amount. On the left side, you can see a representative example for a German investor and a resulting revenue of 42 euro per year and a profit for the customer of 198 euro. Due to a withholding period of up to 4 years back, there's room for a revenue leverage up to 168 euro and a profit for the customer of 792 euro in the first year, see on the right side. And as an API-first company with our unique business model and our strong partnerships with cutting-edge brands like banks and stock exchanges, magazines and web portals and marketplaces, as you can see on this tableau, we have low or zero customer acquisition costs. We simply go where our customers are. And the securities and withholding tax refund potential internationally is enormous. Here you can see just the unreclaimed withholding taxes on cross-border securities and the most important countries, where we already are present in the most important ones. As an API-first company and our strong partnerships, we are the perfect blitzscaler for high and fast leveraging in the most important financial hubs. And as you can see in the financial chart, our business model scales like a hockey stick. Within 5 years, we see revenues up to 40 million euros and a strong cash flow, which is our key financial metric and which enables us to continuously work on our international expansion. We expect this year around 1.5 million euros in revenues and doubling that next year up to 3 million euros. We already have a diversified world-class team with more than 30 years combined startup experience up to unicorn status. All key positions are filled by outstanding entrepreneurs with track record in leading corporate companies like Allianz, Credit Suisse, Vontobel, and unicorns like Numbers. And we are fully self-financed and bootstrapped. As a remote-first company, we have a lean cost structure and a solid 6-digit financial funding from the co-founders, and we have the ability to generate revenue from day one and have already high-class strategic partnerships. And we seek for a Series A this year in the range of 2 to 5 million euros and have already great traction and won important prizes like the EDI Incubator, EY Startup Academy, or the German Accelerator Program. Divizend helps investors maximize their dividend returns. If you reclaimed your Nestlé dividends over the last 60 years with an initial investment of 10,000 francs, you would have 1 million francs more in your pocket. That's a message, isn't it? Thank you for having us.